Hello everyone! In this video we will talk about some words that have the same spelling, different pronunciation and different meaning. This is Hala. Welcome to Speak Real Arabic. The first one is religion and debt. In Arabic it's the same spelling, different pronunciation and different meaning. Religion in Arabic, deen. So for example, deen al-Islam, deen al-Masihiyya, deen al-Yahudiyya. As for debt, دين. For example, عندي دين لأخي. I have a debt for my brother. Another word, difference and teams. For difference, in Arabic we say فرق. For example, في فرق بين تركيا وسوريا. There is a difference between Syria and Turkey. As for teams, فرق. For example, فرق رياضية, sport teams. Another word, he or it, forces me, and he or it hates me. So let's say the situation forces me to travel. الوضع بيكرهني سافر. We have another word for forces me, but this is what we'll focus on in this video. Now he hates me, هو بيكرهني. Forces me, بيكرهني, hates me, بيكرهني. Another word, I appreciate and I can. I appreciate, أنا بقدر. I appreciate your efforts. أنا بقدر جهودك. As for I can, أنا بقدر. For example, I can travel. أنا بقدر سافر. The last word is same spelling, same pronunciation, different meaning. مر. مر means bitter and come over. For example, this food is bitter. هذا الأكل مر. Also, if I want to invite my male friend to come over, مر لعندي. Same spelling, same pronunciation, but just different meanings. This was our video for today. If you find it useful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you soon.